Hey everybody, Bitcoin has broken out and it looks like we are going to go a little bit higher over the next few weeks, everybody. So this is fantastic news. Over the last few days, we have been waiting and waiting to see if shorts were going to try to tackle Bitcoin back down, but it turns out they didn't have the guts or the will or whatever guys want to call it. So we had a nice breakout last night. This means a lot for the altcoin market. So Bitcoin will continue to go up. I think it will reach all-time highs again over the next 2 weeks. I'm very excited about that. But more importantly than that, you're going to see altcoins also go up to some crazy levels. And this gives a lot more room for some of these altcoins that you guys have been following to continue popping off and going crazy because everybody's not afraid that Bitcoin's about to plummet back down to 45,000, 50,000, 55,000, which was that Fibonacci level. All right. So right now, Bitcoin support is this all-time high right here, 67,000, excuse me. Clean breakout, liked it. That's what our resistance is at the moment. It may come back down here eventually, maybe a double top. We'll have to wait and see. But for now, we're out of danger unless whales come in and try to smash us back down. But if they were trying to do that, they would have tried to keep us in this downtrend right here. So I think for now, whales are going to wait for us to reach all-time highs, maybe $75,000, $80,000. Then from there, they're going to try to short us back down to a decent level where they can make money as well. Okay? Thanks for watching, everybody. That's a quick little update. Everything looks just fine right now. I'm so excited for Bitcoin. It's probably going to go sideways for a little bit before making a big move, but I'm going to be patient for that one, okay? Please make sure to subscribe and like the video. It does help out the channel a lot.